Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Let's dive in. So I've updated the video for Power Tesla some few minutes ago, and right now we want to see what's going on. So right now I'm using a daily Tesla, and probably we are watching this earnings, which is coming on 23 on July, which is next week. And we are watching on simple moving average today. So Tesla is above 200 moving average, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 100 EMA. So this 100 EMA is around 293, and the 200 moving average is 317, which is up already. We break and tested 20 EMA. We came down, tested again, and we tested so 1 to 3 days, and the final today we break that EMA around which is 20 EMA around 323, closing above 223. Remember guys, this is more bullish than you remember when Tesla was around $200. So let's start it from here. So we have on this uptrend. Remember this area when Tesla pushing from 200 to close to 366. When you see one moving average here, it was it's not organized. Okay, when you think about hurricanes, when this moving average is telling you, it's just like when you see one hurricanes coming, and you see this direction was not defined. But right now here, once we see on moving average concentrated on one direction, that will be the huge upside. Right now toward earnings, so around 23 next week on Thursday or Wednesday, I mean, probably this thing, if I'm not wrong, we are watching Tesla by Friday, by earnings will be around this area. Remember this area, it was our resistance, and also around 367, 366 it was our resistance. So during this earnings, this thing is going to push on earnings happening. This thing I see jumping, because on market day, I remember on Monday will open maybe more green, which is around 340, and on Tuesday will be around 345 to 350, and when earnings released, this thing will go to jump to $400. That's what I'm thinking right now. On Tesla, you see on 4-hour chart here also, we have been reached a resistance. We have a lot of resistance since July 3rd. So all of this month, remember we have been trading below 20 EMA, 200 moving average on 4-hour chart. It was resistance around 314. It came again 322. It came again yesterday 322, and this candle we see over here, which is closing in some seconds right now. We have gone down less than a minute. This thing, once this thing happen, is going to push even today to 336 before market closing. Yeah, at the end of the day, when market closing will be closing above 332 to 33, and everything here also is organizing, and that's what I'm telling you. By earnings, this thing is going to be one of the obvious. Yeah, we know about Tesla, guys, during earnings, and it's going to break that downtrend line. So what I mean about the downtrend line on Tesla, so when you came on Tesla, let's put on weekly here, and you will see my downtrend lines. This guy is from all-time high, yeah, which is, it was around $400, 400, almost 500, It came all the way to 200, came to 366, come on halfway, which is those 285, and right now it's time to hit 1000 by Tesla. Okay, so by Tesla, so if you took here from here to the recent bottom, you see, don't forget about this area. So we have this resistance which will come because we have already above 320. Will be next resistance will be 350. We used to be closing 352, 384, 430, and after 430, 489 of the break all time high will jump all the way to 658, and code wheeling, this thing is going to be hit 1376. Yeah, it's going to hit that area. It's very easy. Okay, so remember, when we clear, it's not like, when you compare this one, and in fact if you compare Tesla and let's put something like Netflix. You see Netflix, guys, you see Netflix start all the way from here, stay above 20 EMA, and when Netflix now come down, I know Netflix, Nvidia, some AMD, maybe Palantir, I'm not sure about Palantir, it may go to lose the shares into the money is going to flow into Tesla. So guys, I hope this is the best time to buy Tesla, and guys, I wish you all the best, and thank you guys, have a nice day. Yeah, so this is my long time I was watching this one, and I've already told you this around 345, 348. When you put all the way from upside to down to the bottom, where it was bottom, or bottom was down there. So because we have already bounced that, it is support around closing on that week above 294. Next will be 346, 400, and all time high. So this is when we are watching the support, when Tesla was dropping after missing, for example, when it was coming down from this area, we bounces here, it didn't hold. That week came all the way to this uptrend line. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So people was waiting around this 180, but now it didn't come. So remember again, we have not yet break this downtrend line, so we need to break it. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.